Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about the legal pages that we've added to your site. We've added two legal pages to your site. One is a privacy policy and the other is the website terms of use. Now the website terms of use, it's different to your store policies. Your store policies is more about your relationship with the customer and what they can expect from you and what you can expect from them. So that's payment terms, refund policy, etc. The website usage policy is the legal side of your website. The privacy policy is a must. If you're going to be collecting email addresses and collecting data about your customers, which you will be, you will need to have a privacy policy. Your terms of use. That's a good thing to have. It shows that you're a responsible company, it's a responsible website, that you take this sort of thing seriously. So they're both important things to have. Now, in an ideal world and with unlimited budgets, you would get a solicitor or a lawyer to write up a privacy policy and a terms of use specifically for your needs. And if you can do that, then that's great. That's the way to go. If you can't, then there's a number of options around, and that you'll find if you do a search on the web for privacy policy generator, terms of use generator, you'll find there's a number that are available, many of which are licensed under Creative Commons, which means you can take them and edit them and add them to your site. So that's an option. Another option is that we've actually installed a plugin for you that will create a privacy policy and a terms of use policy based on your own specific data. Now, it's up to you whether or not you use this. If you don't want to use it, then just simply erase it from those pages, delete it from those pages, and add your own information. But we thought that it was a good way to actually get you so you could go online straight away and not worry about not having these legal pages in place. So that's it's a compromise. So you'll find the terms of use and the privacy policy in your settings under Auto TOS and PP, and it will by default be switched to off. And on your terms of use page and on your privacy policy page, there'll just be a message saying coming soon, and that won't come live until you've entered the relevant information. So let's have a quick look at the information that's required. You can say how you want it called. Do you want it called terms of use, terms of service? I'm recommending that we call it terms of use, so it's very, very different to our store policy. Privacy policy, we'll call it that because that's what people expect to see, and importantly, that's what search engines, etc., expect to see. It will then ask you for your full name, your name, possessive name, so that's with a apostrophe and an S, domain name, the whole domain name with HTTP, so HTTP blah 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 blah. The minimum age that you expect people to visit your site. If in doubt, leave all of these the same. And at the bottom, it will ask you for a DMCA notice where that should be sent to. That's not going to affect you. That you're not going to be having people upload photos or things onto your site. You're not going to be offering copyright material or infringing on people's trademarks, so you don't need to worry about people submitting a DMCA takedown notice to you. And then at the bottom, it's where you are based, and this will then be used to populate the form. So once you've saved that, you can set this to on, and it will display the terms of use policy. If this information isn't completed, it won't let you publish the page on your site. So once it's completed, click it to on, and then we can have a quick look, and you'll see that here is the terms of use, and it's been populated with the relevant information. So here we go. This website is available only to individuals who are at least 13 years old, so that would be whatever you set that to, and it's populated this with my name and with the website name. So that's how you set your terms of use. That's now on and ready to go. There's nothing else to do about that. So just to summarise, we've set you up with 2 pages. You have a terms of use page and you have a privacy policy page. You can choose how you want to handle this, whether or not you want to get your lawyer to write up a privacy policy and a terms of use based on your specific requirements. If not, you can use the plugin that we've got, which has produced a generic set of terms of use and privacy policy, which it's not going to be relevant to absolutely everything in your business, but it is good to go. You just put in your information and it will produce it for you. Or have a look online and do some searches and have a look for privacy policy generators, terms of use generators, which are licensed under Creative Commons, and see whether or not there's any there that you can take and edit to produce something for you. So that's it for your legal pages. If you've got any questions, then don't hesitate to send us a message or chat via the chat function on the site. Thank you.